Now today's the chapter will be amines. Okay. Today I will be discussing the chapter the amines one. So see here. Sit. देखो फिर now the IUPAC nomenclature of the amines one. What is the IUPAC nomenclature of CH3NH2? What is the IUPAC nomenclature of CH3NH2? What is IUPAC name? It is. What is IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name for CH3NH2? क्या होगा? It is what? Anyone? What is the IUPAC name for CH3NH2? IUPAC name क्या है? Amines. Amino. ये IUPAC name होगा. CH3NH2. No one knows? Methenamine, right? Okay. Methane plus amine, that is क्या? Methenamine. Similarly, what is the IUPAC name? You know about this is the 1 degree one, right? It is the primary amine. This is basically the primary amine. This is the primary amine. Primary amine. Okay. Now, NCH3, NCH3, H. This is basically your क्या? 2 degree amine. Got it? This is basically your 2 degree amine. What is the IUPAC name for this one? What is the IUPAC name for this one? It will be N-methyl methenamine. It will be N-methyl methenamine. N-methyl methenamine. Okay. Now coming to the NCH3 and the CH3. NCH3, CH3, CH3 and the CH3. What is the IUPAC name for this one? NN dimethyl methenamine, right? So it will be क्या? NN dimethyl methenamine. So this is a 3 degree amine. It is a 3 degree amine. This will be equals to NN dimethyl methenamine. Methenamine. Got it? Understood? So you know you can distinguish between the 1 degree, 2 degree and the 3 degree. You can distinguish. Now see here. For a question देखो. What is the IUPAC name for this one? What is the IUPAC name for this one? Yeah. What is the IUPAC name for this one? This will be helicopter. जो भी हेलीकॉप्टर चॉपर है बाहर उड़ा सकते हो. देखिए यहाँ पर दिस वन. व्हाट इज IUPAC नेम फॉर दिस वन? इट विल बी propane to amine. So see here, it will be 1, 2 and the 3 one. So it will be the propane. It will be the propane to amine one. Got it? So see here, this is also a 1 degree amine because nitrogen is attached with only one carbon. Nitrogen is being attached with the only one carbon. You see here, this NH2 is also attached with the only one carbon. Here, this nitrogen attached with the 2 carbon. That is why it is a 2 degree amine. Here, nitrogen is being attached with the 3 carbon. That's why it is the क्या? 3 degree amine will be there. Got it? This is how we name the IUPAC nomenclature. Now the last one you see here. suppose you have this one, and what is the IUPAC name for this one? What will the IUPAC name for this one? What is the IUPAC name for this one? It will be N-ethyl N-methyl ethanamide. You have to see the kya longest chain one, right? So see here, it will be kya 1 and the 2 1. So I can write here N-methyl ethanamide. N-methyl ethanamide will be. Got it? N-methyl ethanamide. Got it? It is a 2 degree or the 3 degree amine. It is basically your kya 2 degree amine will be there. Got it? This is basically your kya 2 degree amine. Now it's done. The basic part is clear, right? Now coming to the second part, reactions one. Now the preparation of amines. See here, the preparation of the amines. Preparation of the amines one. Preparation of the amines one. First one is a Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction, right? Hofmann-bromamide degradation. First one is your Hofmann-bromamide degradation. Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. So see, what happened here is that if you have RC double bond NH2, and the reagents will be X2 plus NOH, Cl2, I2, whatever it is there, तो क्या होगा? This CO will go out and it will form the क्या primary amine R NH2. So basically there is a loss of one carbon. This is very important reaction, Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. Write it down. लिख लो. This is a Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. Got it? There is loss of one carbon one. There will be always a kya? Loss of one carbon. Just remember this one. Now coming to the second one, you see here. See, suppose you have second reaction. You write down. Suppose you have Schmidt reaction entering. Schmidt reaction. Got it. Suppose you have carboxylic acid and you are attacking with the N3H in the presence of kya? H plus. You are attacking the N3H in the presence of H plus. So what it will form? It will form the kya? R NH2. It will form the kya? R NH2. See here, वो को लोग क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेंगे कि व्हाट इंटरमीडिएट हैज बीन फॉर्म ड्यूरिंग द स्मिडिट रिएक्शन. The intermediate is form is here will be R and double bond C double bond O. This is the intermediate is being formed here. Intermediate being formed here. This is alkyl isocyanate. This is alkyl isocyanate. This is alkyl isocyanate. This is the intermediate is getting formed during this course of reaction. Got it? During this course of reaction. Write it down. अब देखो, this is fine. Got it? Now coming to the Curtius reaction. See here, Curtius reaction. In Curtius reaction, you have RC double bond OCl, and you have क्या? Na and 3 second H plus. Got it? Second, you have the acidic medium. So it will form R NH2. Again, it will form the R NH2. Here the intermediate is formed here. Intermediate इसमें भी क्या form होता है तुम्हारा? Intermediate form here is alkyl iso R and double bond C double bond O. R and double bond C double bond O. Got it? This is the intermediate is getting formed. लिख लीजिए इसको. Write it down. अब देखो लास्ट वन सी है. गैब्रियल थैलिमाइड में बहुत पूछता है वो लोग. गैब्रियल थैलिमाइड यूज सी, राइट? Last one you see the Gabriel Thalamide reaction. See here, this is done. Now coming to the Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel Thalamide. You know the structure of the thalamide? What is the structure of thalamide? See, this one is your thalamide. It is an anhydride. Double bond NH. Here double bond and this one. This is basically your the thalamide one. Now, suppose you are adding the NOH. Suppose you are adding something OH minus. Okay. So what will happen basically? It will undergo the acid-base reaction. It will undergo the acid-base reaction to form N minus. To form the N minus. That undergo the acid-base reaction. Now again what will happen? You have RX1, right? So it will attack here, this X will leave. This is undergoing through the SN2 mechanism. So it will form double bond O and then the R1. Again the hydrolysis step. So it will form what? It will form double bond O, OH, OH plus R NH2. So this is the process to form the primary amine. This is the process to form the primary amine one. What is important here is that, see, it is undergoing through the SN2, right? So you know that suppose you have the chlorobenzene. Suppose you have the chlorobenzene. At chlorobenzene you cannot have the SN2 reaction. Got it? So you cannot synthesize the aromatic primary amines through this method. You can only synthesize the aliphatic primary amines. So only aliphatic primary amines can be synthesized. Only aliphatic primary amines can be synthesized one. Got it? This is the important one. Only aliphatic aromatic amines. Because of this reaction, see here, na? Suppose you have this halobenzene will be there, right? Now it is not possible to attack at this position because it will not undergo SN2 reaction. It will not undergo SN2 one. So this step is not possible and hence you cannot synthesize this aromatic primary amines. Got it? Understood? Now coming to the next part, you see. This is very important, Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel Thalamide. अब देखो. Now coming to the reduction reaction, you see. Coming to the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction. देखो यहाँ पर. You know the Stefan's reduction, right? What is the Stefan's reduction? First one you see, you have NO2, and if you are adding SnHCl, it will form the क्या? It will form this compound. Aniline you will be getting. This is basically your reduction reaction. Write it down. This is your reduction. अब देखो दूसरा चीज देखो. Suppose you have CH3 C double bond O NH2. Okay. Now you are adding the LiAlH4 one. It is a very strong reducing agent. This is the basically very strong reducing agent. So what will happen basically? It will reduce this oxygen one. Got it? It will reduce this oxygen one to form what? CH3, CH2 and the NH2. CH3, CH2 and the, remember this, ये डबल बॉन्ड गायब हो जाएगा when you have the LiLH4 one. It is a very strong reducing agent one. Got it? the reducing power of this LiLH4 is greater than the NaBH4. If you are using the NaBH4, you cannot able to reduce this one. Only LiLH4 can reduce this one. दूसरा देखो, suppose you have CH3 C double bond O and CH3 and the CH3 one. This is basically the amide one, right? These are the basically this is basically your amide one. So I can write, if I using the LiLH4, you have to remove this double bond O1, right? So it will forming kya? It will be forming CH3 CH2 and CH3 CH3 and this. Got it? It will be forming this compound. That is the purpose of the kya? Lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride. और देखो, see here. See fourth one. Suppose you have CH3 C triple bond N1. CH3 C triple bond N1. Now, if I am adding the LiLH4, it will be forming the kya? This double bond will be reduced. This double bond will be reduced to form what? CH3 CH2 NH2. CH3 CH2 NH2. Got it? Similarly, if you have CH3 and this one, this is your basically your kya? Isocyanide one. This is basically your isocyanide one. This is basically your isocyanide one. If you are adding the LiLH4, it will be forming CH3NH and the CH3. That will give you the kya? 2 degree amines. Remember this things one. ठीक है? आइसोसाइनाइड का रिड्यूशन करोगे तो क्या बनेगा तुम्हारा? This will be forming one. Got it? अब देखो. Now coming to the physical property of amines की बात करते हैं, right? Physical property of amines, you see. The physical properties of amines. Physical properties of amines. Can amines can show the hydrogen bonding? Can amine can show the hydrogen bonding? बोलो. Amines can show the hydrogen bonding? Ammonia, RNH2 can show hydrogen bonding or not? Why? It can form bond with, because it has NH1, right? N is the electronegative element and also had got the hydrogen. So obviously it can form the hydrogen bonding one. Now if I am comparing the ammonia gas with the water, which will have the more strong hydrogen bonding, ammonia or the water one? Water. Why water has got the more hydrogen bonding? Because it does not have the, no, that is not the reason, because the electronegativity of oxygen is high relative to kya? Nitrogen. So these amines will have the hydrogen bonding. Amines can show the hydrogen bonding, that is true. But if I am comparing with the water one, water has more hydrogen bonding relative to kya? Ammonia one. So someone is comparing, suppose someone wants to compare between the boiling point of H2O and the ammonia one. Therefore the boiling point of H2O will be higher compared to ammonia, because of strength of hydrogen bonding is high in case of water, because strength of hydrogen bonding is high one, is high. Got it? That's why water is a liquid and ammonia is a gas one, although it has the hydrogen bonding one. Got it? अब लिखो. Now this is done. Now what basic properties you see? The basic properties of amines. Basic properties basic property of amines. What are the basic properties of amines you see? Okay. See here. As the plus I increases, obviously the basic strength will increase one. Electron density increases, then the basic strength basically increase one. For example, if I am talking about in the gaseous phase, R3n, R2NH and the RNH2, and you have the ammonia, which will have the more basic strength, Basic strength you know, right? Having more tendency to take the H plus 1, that is the basic strength. Whereas acidic strength is something where you are losing the H plus 1. Now, if you want to compare what is the basic strength of these compounds, what will be the order then and why? It will be in the gaseous phase. I am asking, in the gaseous phase, what will be the order? What will the order? See, you know that as the plus I increases, the basic strength increases, right? As the plus I increases, the basic strength increases. So see here, as the number of alkyl group increases, the plus I group increases, then basic strength always kya? Increases one. Got it? Since it has more number of alkyl groups, means more plus I1. Got it? More plus I1. Therefore, this will be your answer. Got it? Only in the gaseous phase one. Only in the gaseous phase. Now, in the aqueous phase, you see. In the aqueous phase, देखो, you have an CH3CH3 CH3NH2 and you have an CH3CH3 and last you will have the kya? Ammonia one. This is the basic strength in case of the, this is very important, बहुत बार पूछेगा ये. In the aqueous phase, the order will be see here. In aqueous phase, I have to do kya? You have to remember like this one, MiG-21. You know the MiG-21 is an aircraft missile one, right? So, if it is a MiG, means what? M for the methyl one. If it is a methyl one, then you have to follow 2 degree, 1 degree and the kya? 3 degree one. This is the order of the basic strength in the aqueous medium. This is very important. बहुत बार पूछेगा ये. If it is a methyl one, see CH3 is there, then you have to follow this one, MiG-21. Methyl 2 degree, 1 degree and then the kya? 3 degree. Then last will be your kya? Ammonia. Got it? Last will be your ammonia. अब देखो यहाँ पर, you see, now if it is a ethyl one, then what is the order, right? If it is a ethyl one, the order will be 2, 3, 1. If it is a ethyl one, the order will be 2, 3, 1. It means that nitrogen, CH2CH3, got, then you have an CH2CH3, you have the CH2CH3 and the last one you will have the what? CH3CH2NH2. Last you will have the ammonia. Remember these things, right? And why is this a change? Because of the solvation factor and the plus I effect. These are changes because of the solvation factor and the plus I effect. Got it? Understood? ये समझ में आ गया? This is the basic strength of this amines. Now और भी देखो. This is fine. Got it? See here. Done. So MiG 21, if it is a methyl 2 degree, 1 degree and the 3 degree. If it is a ethyl, it is 2 degree, 3 degree and the 1 degree will be there. So this is the trend. Now suppose if I am asking you that you have to compare the basic strength order, NH2 you have the aniline and you have this one and you have this one. Which will have the more basic strength and why? Which will have the more basic strength? Which will have the more basic strength? Tell me. Bolo? Why will you have first one is the more basic strength? It is. Why first? Plus I. What is plus I? Which is the option out of these two options which has got the more basic strength? अरे अभी तो 12th लिखे हो, भूल गए क्या? Only 1 month, right? मार्च में एग्जाम था ना? Why second one? It is. Why it is that? Yes, anyone? No one. बोर्ड्स कैसा गया था आप लोग का? बोर्ड्स वाज गुड. Anyone from CBSE or ICSE? You are from the CBSE one. How was your board? Fine. See here. ठीक है देखो. This is NH2 one, right? This is basically the undergo resonance one. However, this lone pair will not undergo resonance. So I can write here this lone pair is basically the delocalized one, whereas this lone pair is basically your localized one, right? It means availability of lone pair is more in case of this compound. However, in this compound, lone pair is basically क्या? Delocalized. तो basic strength किसकी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी? This will have the क्या? More basic strength. यही सब क्वेश्चन आएगा. Simple. Remember these things, okay? Now coming to the alkylation, you see, right? Now coming to the alkylation देखते हैं. ठीक है? देखो alkylation. In Karnataka board you also follow the NCERT, right? So you didn't follow this NCERT? No, amines is there, right? From amines they also related half of the topics.
And then they don't ask all random questions, it's fixed question every single day. So you can predict one.
Easy board, right? No problem. ठीक है. That is the problem in Karnataka, नहीं? Why don't you guys go with the CBSE or ICSE then? Huh? Twisted questions. No, I am asking why you going to go for the CBSE then? Application? So then you must go. इसलिए वही CBSE में पढ़ना चाहिए था ना फिर तो. That's why you must go to CBSE, right? That's because it is tough. Not that much tough. क्या J level? कुछ नहीं है वो. नहीं, it's not like that. It's not like that. It is not like that you are preparing for the CBSE doesn't mean that you don't have to prepare for the JEE. अरे उतना भी मतलब ठीक है देखो CBSE is better because the question asks there is good one. आप लोग को वहीं पढ़ना चाहिए था. देखिए alkylation C है. चलो I am waiting them. I will teach if possible, if I am here. चलो हटाओ. Alkylation I am talking about, right? देखो alkylation you see. Suppose you have NH2. Aniline is there, right? Suppose you have the NH2. क्लियर है ना? और आपने क्या डाल दिया? CH3 added, right? You have added. ठीक है. जब डालना तब बात करना, अभी देखते हैं, है ना? Now coming to the CH3I1. तो see here. So this lone pair will attack here and this I will go, right? Got it? So what will happen here? That NH and you have the kya? CH3 one. This is known as the alkylation one because N has got the lone pair one. Got it? Do that one. This is alkylation one. Suppose if you are adding the further 1 mole of CH3I, 1 mole of CH3I, what will happen? क्या होगा? बताओ. What will happen? Again you have the lone pair, right? So again it will attack here, right? So it will be forming N CH3 CH3. Got it? Again you have the lone pair. Again it can attack. Again it can attack to form the quaternary salt. Quaternary salt. Got it? As long it has a lone pair, it will go on attacking the CH3I1. चलिए हम लोग बात करते हैं acylation की बात करते हैं, right? Now coming to the acylation one. See, acylation you see. देखो done this one? हाँ. Focus on the PU2 chapters, okay? This time. पहले तो क्या आ रहा है? क्या बोल रहे हो? PU अभी पहले PU2 चैप्टर पर फोकस करो. Now see here. Acylation you see, okay. Suppose you have RNH2, right? Got it. And you are using the CH3C double bond OCl. What will happen? This lone pair will attack here, right? This lone pair will attack here. And this will go out. And it will be forming kya? R and H C double bond O CH3. लिख लो. It will be forming R and H C double bond O CH3. लिख लीजिए. दूसरा देखो. This is fine. Got it? This is the acylation. Now coming to the carbyl amine test. Carbyl amine test 2. ठीक है, देखो, if you have the RNH2 clear plus CHCl3 plus KOH, it will form the isocyanide. So this is a test exclusively for primary amines. Secondary amine does not give this test. This is a test only for 1 degree amines. 1 degree amines can give this test only. So it will form the क्या? RN isocyanide will form. Isocyanide will be formed. Write it down. Isocyanide will be formed. अब देखो, this is fine. Got it? Now coming to the Hinsberg reagent, you see. Coming to the Hinsberg reagent. देखो यहाँ पर. See here. Reaction with the Hinsberg reagent. The Hinsberg reagent will be SO double bond and this is your Hinsberg reagent. This is basically your Hinsberg reagent. See here, क्या होगा? देखो, if you have the RNH2, it will go here and the Cl minus will leave one. Got it? So it will be forming minus HCl. It will be forming RNH, S double bond O, this one. It will be forming RNH, S double bond O and this one. See, this hydrogen is acidic one, right? This hydrogen will be the acidic hydrogen. It means that if you are adding the alkali one, it will be क्या? Soluble in this compound will be, if you are adding, this compound will be soluble in alkali. This compound will be soluble in alkali. So in the Hinsberg reagent, primary amines will react with the Hinsberg reagent, and that compound, if treated with the alkali, it will be soluble one because it will undergo the क्या? Acid base reaction. It will undergo the acid base reaction. See this acidic hydrogen. Because of this acidic hydrogen, this is soluble in the alkali one. If there is no acidic hydrogen, that will be not soluble in the alkali one. Now see here, coming to the secondary amines, you see R2NH is attacking at the Hinsberg reagent, Cl, S double bond O and this one. Got it? So what will happen? This will attack here and this will move out, right? So it will be forming minus HCl. Now what will happen? This will be forming R and R, S double bond O and this one. Here there is no acidic hydrogen, right? Since there is no acidic hydrogen, this compound will be insoluble in the alkali. This compound will be insoluble in the alkali. This will be insoluble in the alkali. Got it? This compound will be insoluble in the alkali. This is fine. Now the tertiary amines even does not react with the Hinsberg reagent. Tertiary amine does not react with the Hinsberg reagent. So if you have the R3N और ये तुम्हारा आ जाएगा ClS double bond O, then there will be क्या? No reaction. So this is the test which is used to distinguish between the 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, and it is given in the NCERT also. ये तुम्हारा NCERT में भी. Got it? Now coming to the next point, electrophilic substitution reaction के बात करते हैं, right? Electrophilic substitution reaction. This is fine, okay? This Hinsberg reagent is very important one. अब देखो यहाँ पर, yeah. So what is important here? Hoffman bromide degradation, Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, got it. Then you have this isocyanide test and this one, very very important. यहाँ पर नीट एस्पिरेंट्स कौन कौन थे, कितने हैं नीट वाले इधर? ओनली यू, ओनली यू, यू थर्ड. ठीक है ठीक है, देखो देखो. नाउ कमिंग टू द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन इन aniline one. Electrophilic aromatic substitution is electrophilic aromatic substitution. देखो फिर यहाँ पर see here, you have the aniline, right? Aniline is a ortho para directing group, right? Aniline NH2 group is a ortho para directing group. ठीक है ठीक है, आप लोग का बॉस है. Only for 45 minutes you keep silent, okay? See here, you have the aniline one, right? Now you have the Br2 and the H2O1. Got it? You have the Br2 and the H2O1. Since NH2 group is highly orthopara directing group, right? Since it is highly orthopara directing group, so the incoming electrophile will be coming at the ortho position and the kya? Para position. So it will be forming, this will be forming NH2, Br, Br, and you have the kya? अरे बोला 45 minutes. Just 45 minutes. Hey, you can use your phone, right? It's fine. फोन रख लिया? अच्छा. Bring your phone. It is better to bring the phone rather than talking in the class. हाँ तुम्हें दिला दूँ, तुम्हें ही चाहिए ना? नहीं वहाँ भी मैं पहले जहाँ पढ़ा था तो वहाँ भी यही था, कुछ कुछ लास्ट वाले. अब कंट्रोल तो सबको नहीं कर सकते. इट्स बेटर टू इंगेज देम विथ समथिंग एल्स. ब्रेन नीड्स इंगेजमेंट. अब देखो NH2, Br2 and the water is there, right? So you will forming this compound because NH2 is क्या? Highly orthopara and the directing group. Highly orthopara and the क्या? Directing group. अब देखो यहाँ पे, see here, you have the NH2, you have the NH2, CS3 C double bond O, C double bond O and the CS3 one, right? Clear? I already taught you this is the acetylation process, right? This is the acetylation one. So first, what is the product form will be here? The product form will be, this is the lone pair, right? This lone pair, अरे नहीं हुआ 45 minutes अभी तक. Still 40 minutes left here. College you can do these things. College में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. College में जो करना है करो. पढ़ो मत पढ़ो आओ. प्रोफेसर तो क्या जा सकते क्या करे, क्लास से बाहर निकाल देगा. वो भी नहीं करते, वो एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. इन द इंटरनल एग्जाम दे विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम. अदरवाइज इट्स फाइन. सी क्या ठीक है ठीक है. देखो अभी यहाँ पर, so this lone pair will be attacking here and this is acting as a क्या leaving group one. So it will be forming like this one. NH C double bond O and the CS3 one, right? Clear? This is the acetylate protect one when we do the acetylation one. Now see here, this lone pair is becomes क्या less activity because it is basically क्या delocalized here also. Now the ortho-para directing capability has been reduced, right? Ortho-para directing capability has been reduced. So now if we are using the bromine water, only the monobromination will take place at ortho and the para position. See here, in this case NH2 is highly activating one. So all Br occupied at the ortho and the para position. Now this is a mild activating group. So the incoming electrophile can come at ortho or para position, not simultaneously at the ortho and the para position. So it will be forming the compound NH C double bond OCS3. Here will be क्या? Br, this will be your क्या? Major product. And the minor will be your क्या? Ortho. And the minor will be your क्या? Ortho product one. Got it? Understood? अब देखो, noted? See here. Suppose you are adding second reaction, you see this is NH2 HNO3 plus H2SO4, HNO3 plus H2SO4, right? NH2 HNO3 plus the H2SO4 I am talking about. Now this NH2 is ortho-para directing group, right? So the incoming electrophile can come at the ortho and the para position. But that is not happening. Why this is not happening? See here, if you, the results obtained here is that, here is the electrophile, it is NH2, NO2, it is around 51%, para and the meta, it is 47%, कितना बच गया फिर? Plus you have NH2 CS3 2%. Got it? Why it is the case one? See here, we are supposed to obtain the para position and the ortho. However, you are seeing here that the product at ortho is very less one. तो क्या हुआ समझो यहाँ पे? This HNO3 and H2SO4 is there, right? It will undergo acid base reaction with the aniline one. So it will undergo the acid base reaction. It undergoes the acid base reaction with the aniline to form NH3 plus 1. Now this becomes the क्या? Meta directing group one. This becomes the meta directing. This becomes the meta directing group. Got it? That's why we have a significant contribution of this meta one. If this is not the case, then you will not obtain this meta product. Because of this reason we are obtaining the क्या? Meta one. अब देखो सल्फोनेशन की बात करते हैं. Done this one? लिखो. See here. Now coming to the sulfonation, you see. Sulfonation. See, suppose you have NH2, H2SO4 and the heat, right? And the heat is there. It is a ortho-para directing group. Major product will be your क्या? At the para position. Major product will be your the para position. This is known as the क्या? Sulfonilic acid. This is known as the sulfonilic acid. Got it? Now what will happen? This is basic and this is acidic one, right? It will form the Zwitter ion. You know the Zwitter ion, right? Positive and the negative one. So it will form the Zwitter ion to form NH3 plus and the SO3 minus 1. NH3 plus and the SO3 minus 1. क्लियर है? अब देखो, this is the Zwitter ion. This is the Zwitter ion. चलिए देखिए, now coming to the diazotization reaction, right? Now coming to the diazotization reaction. What is the diazotization reaction? If it is aniline and you are adding the NaNO2 plus HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, or you are using the HONO, it will be forming the क्या? Benzene diazonium chloride. It will be forming the benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. What is the purpose of making this diazonium chloride? This C, N2 is a super leaving group, right? Now any group can come here and this N2 will leave. Until or unless it is super leaving group, you cannot eliminate that one. For example, it is very difficult to remove chlorine from the benzene one. Very difficult one. Now for this process, since it is the best leaving group, one of the best leaving group, you can easily remove this one and you can attach a nucleophile here. तो देखो यहाँ पर, see here, this is the benzene diazonium chloride. I already discussed about the reactions of the benzene diazonium chloride, right? इससे पहले जो पढ़ा रहा था, boiled semen पढ़ाया था, CuCl I discussed, ना? See here, देखो यहाँ पर, you have N triple bond NCl, N triple bond NCl1, clear? अब बताइए यहाँ पर, if I am adding here H2O steam, क्या बनेगा product? What will be the product one? If I adding the H2O steam, what will be the product? The product will be phenol one, right? Product will be what? Phenol one. The product will be the phenol one. Got it? If you are using the H3PO2, what is the product one? It will form the, if you are using the H3PO2, what will be the product? Benzene one, right? The product will be what? Benzene one. Product will be your benzene one. Got it? Now if you are using the CH3CH2OH, क्या बनेगा? It will be forming the benzene plus CH3CH2 plus N2. Write it down. ये याद रखना तुम्हें. In case of CH3CH2OH, this is forming this compound. और देखो, if you are using KCN and the CO, क्या बनाएगा? KCN and the CO, it will form, CN will attack here, right? K plus and the CN minus. So it will be forming क्या? So it will be forming this compound. Got it? This will be forming this compound. और देखो, एक और एक important है तुम्हारा. If you are using the HBF4, this will be forming N2 plus BF4 minus, and if you heat it, it will be forming the fluorobenzene. This will be forming the क्या? Fluorobenzene. Similarly, if you are using the Ki heat, it will be forming the iodo benzene. It will forming the क्या iodobenzene. We have seen the Sandmeyer-Gattermann, ठीक है, Sandmeyer रिएक्शन भी इसमें आएगा. फिर क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा Gattermann रिएक्शन यू विल हैव. अब देखो यहाँ पर find this one. Ki heat will be giving you this one. और देखो benzene diazonium chloride you have CuBr HBr it will form the क्या bromine one. It will form the क्या bromine one. Got it? You have CuCl HCl. This will be forming the क्या chlorine. This is known as the क्या Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction. Got it? Sandmeyer's reaction. Done? और देखो Gattermann देख लो. CuHCl. This will be forming your chlorobenzene. This is the क्या Gattermann reaction. This is basically your Gattermann reaction. Clear है? Similarly, you have the CuHBr. It will form the क्या Br. अब देखो this is fine. Done. अब देखो coupling reactions, right? Last you see the coupling reactions. Coupling reaction you see. Coupling reactions. जैसे कि देखो you have aniline and you have and triple bond Cl. So what will happen here? This is a ortho para directing group, right? So this die will be formed. This is the dyes are getting formed. Coupling reaction, it is basically or क्या dyes are getting formed. This is the azo dye. This is basically your, this is a colored compound. This is basically your color. Similarly, if you have the phenol one, right? Phenol one. You know the phenol is basically ortho para directing group. Again, if you are using the benzene diazonium chloride, so it will be forming OH this will be forming this one. Find this one. Got it? चलो क्वेश्चन अब डिस्कस करते हैं, ठीक है? रेस्ट आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन प्रीवियस चैप्टर्स. प्रीवियस KCET क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. प्रीवियस KCET क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यू सी. देखो क्या हो रहा होगा. CH3 CH2Br aqueous KOH and the heat, right? CH3 CH2Br aqueous KOH and the heat. Previous KCET पहला क्वेश्चन. CH3 CH2Br, you have the aqueous KOH and the heat, right? Clear? So क्या होगा, पहला स्टेप क्या बनेगा? What is the first step? It will form CH3CH2 OH. Ethanol will form, right? So the first step will be CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2OH. Now we are adding the KMnO4 and the H plus, right? Clear? Heat. It is a strong oxidizing agent. So it will oxidize this primary alcohol to aldehyde, and aldehyde further classified to acetone. Got it? Strong oxidizing agent. So it will be forming CH3COH1. Clear? This is the product kya? B. This is the product basically or B1. Now you have the NH3 and the heat. What it will form? Yeah. It will form what? Batao. You will have the NH3 heat is there, right? Amide banata hai na? So it will form CH3C double bond O NH2. Got it? Now Br2 alkali. It is a Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. Br2OH, right? It is a Hoffman bromamide degradation. तो क्या बनेगा? CH3NH2. Which option then? Third option. Got it? Understood? Now, अब देखो. Question number 2 you see. Question number 2. Question number 2 you see. Which of the following forms propane nitrile? You know the structure of propane nitrile? Propane nitrile means, see here, देखो, this is CH3CH2 C triple bond and this one is basically your propane nitrile. This one is basically your the propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. You have to synthesize this compound, right? कैसे बनेगा? Which option? Ethyl bromide plus alcoholic KCN. Clear hai? What about last one? If I use the last one, what it will form? Isocyanate will form. That is the difference. Got it? So second you see, question number 2. Ethyl bromide is CH3, CH2 and the Br1, right? Got it? Alcoholic KCN, alcoholic K plus and the Cn minus attack करेगा. This will leave CH3, CH2 and the C triple bond N. CH3, CH2 and the C triple bond N will be there. Got it? Now question number 3. You know the structure of quinol? It is 1,4 पे और OH लगा रहता है. Clear है? So this the structure of the quinol is, if the structure of the quinol, this is quinol. This is the quinol one. This is. Now, current sequence to convert of paranitrophenol to quinol, right? What is paranitrophenol? देखो paranitrophenol देखो, paranitrophenol. Clear? Yes, anyone? First option, first reduction, then diazotization, then hydrolysis one. See, if you do the reduction one, it will form the kya? It will form OH and the NH2. Then you have the diazotization, right? Diazotization will convert to, it will be convert this to OH and triple bond and Cl. Again you have the kya? hydrolysis. It will form quinol. This will form the quinol. Now question number 4. Resorcinol is 1,3 पे लगता है meta. This is 1,4. The resorcinol will be C. Question number 4 you see. Resorcinol. OH and the OH. Resorcinol. You have to synthesize this one. Same thing. Conversion of metanitrophenol to resorcinol, right? देखो. हाँ same ही होगा obviously. Got it? First one will be और क्या? Reduction. Metanitrophenol ना. फिर then diazotization, right? Then hydrolysis. Question number 5. Benzylamine is a stronger base than aniline because lone pair of electron in nitrogen is delocalized in case of aniline. You know the structure of benzylamine? क्या होता है? Benzene and amine, that is aniline. See here, benzylamine is this one. This is benzene, CH2NH2. This is the benzylamine. This is benzylamine. Benzylamine. Got it? And this one is basically और क्या? Aniline. This one is basically और aniline. Got it? Now see here, in this case, lone pair is delocalized. So basic strength gets lowered one. Got it? Now question number 6. Which of the following gives amine on hitting with the amide? कौन देगा? Hoffman bromamide degradation. In Hoffman bromamide degradation, what you are using? We are using Br2X2 and the aqueous alkali. मतलब alkali we are using, right? Alkali means water soluble basis one. So which option then? First option. Got it? That is the Hoffman bromamide degradation one. Okay? Question number 7. Question number 7 one. Question number 7. Oi. What happened? Question number 7. How many isomers can you draw for C7H9N? 5 you can draw? Name. How? OH. यहाँ तो OH ही नहीं है. Question number I am asking question number 7. Tell कौन सा बनेगा? How many? You are telling 5. How? It was what? A guess? Then random guess. इसको आंसर इसको देखो. See here. Seven. CH3 NH2. These are the 5 structures. Question number 8. Question number 8. Correct sequence of reactions to be performed to convert benzene into metabromoaniline. अच्छा, metabromo, right? अभी नाइट्रेशन है, पहले नाइट्रेशन करना होगा, फिर ब्रोमिनेशन, देन रिडक्शन. हाँ ठीक, बोलो. Which option? Question number 8. You don't have the book? You don't have book? Question number 8. Which option? Which option? Why? Why? Why third? Why third? Huh? Yeah, nitration. It is a meta directing group, right? So first you have to do the kya? See, they are asking the meta one, right? It means that first you have to do the nitration one. So benzene convert to the nitration, NO2 plus, it will form this one, NO2, then bromination, then reduction one, right? Got it? Now, question number 9. Question number 9. 4-methyl pent 3 into क्या लिखा है 3 in on. ठीक है, देखो. First you draw the structure of 4-methyl pent 3 in on. Question number 9 you see. One, two, three, 4 methyl. अब देखो, got it? Now you have to make this one, right? Which option there? Proper. See how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, right? Means starting a compound तुम्हारा क्या होना चाहिए? देखो यहाँ पर it must be क्या? तो देखो यहाँ पर if you are using the CH3 MgBr, right? देखो second step will be क्या? Aldol one, right? So that will be double. तो क्या इससे start करना पड़ेगा तुम्हें? Ethanols, right? So if you are starting from the ethanol one, see here, you have CH3 C double bond H, CH3 MgBr, H2O. क्लियर है? फिर क्या आ जाएगा? CH3COH and the CH3. First step it will be this one, right? Got it? Again, नहीं, this नहीं हो सकता. इथेन नाइट्राइल होना चाहिए. It cannot undergo aldol, so ये तो नहीं होगा. Now see here. If you are using the ethane nitrile, you see CH3 C triple bond N, CH3 M minus, इट विल बी फॉर्मिंग क्या CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3. नाउ दिस कैन अंडरगो क्या एल्डोल रिएक्शन. क्लियर है? तो कौन सा ऑप्शन हो जाएगा तुम्हारा आपका इथेन नाइट्राइल. दिस कैन अंडरगो द एल्डोल रिएक्शन. सो द ऑप्शन थर्ड विल बी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. That will undergo the aldol reaction one, right? बाकी तो aldol reaction नहीं जा सकते ना. देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 will not undergo Hoffman bromide. थर्ड क्यों जाएगा? थर्ड तो जाएगा ही. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, राइट? Because that is the test which is given by 1 degree amide only. So first is the option 1. ठीक है. Question 11. Which option? पैरानाइट्रोटोल्विन. पहले क्या लगेगा? Br2SNHCl, राइट? ये तो नहीं जाएगा. ऑर्थोनाइट्रोटोल्विन, ऑर्थोनाइट्रोटोल्विन CH3NO2. ठीक है. देन यू हैव पैरा पे लग जाएगा तुम्हारा क्या Br. ठीक है. हाँ ठीक. CH3NO2 and the Br. Which option? C या second one? Paranitrotoluene. If we are using the CH3NO2, okay, then that will come at Br वहाँ आ जाएगा. ठीक है. Then you have the, suppose if you are using the paranitrotoluene, can you get this product? देखो देखो बैक से जाता हूँ मैं, बैक ही कर लेता हूँ. देखो if you have this product, right, Br है ना, पीछे जा रहा है KMNO4, राइट? मतलब कि here must be CH3 1, तभी ऐसा गया हो. एंड द Br, CH3 Br बनाने के लिए क्या किया होगा ये लोग? मतलब डाइजेटेशन किया होगा, राइट? सो द पॉसिबिलिटी इज NH2. फिर देखो ये यहाँ से बना रहा है, मतलब कि CH3 अंदर क्या NO2. ठीक. डायरेक्ट NCERT क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम द NCERT. See here. Question number 12. Question number 12. क्या आएगा? Question number 12 you do. 2-bromopropane alcoholic AgCN. It will form the क्या? CN लग जाएगा, लगा तो CH2NH2 लग जाएगा. So it will form the क्या? 1 2 3. It will be 1 2 3. 2 पे मिथाइल है ना, एन आइसोप्रोपाइल. देखो इसको, सी 2-bromopropane, राइट? AgCN डाल दिए ना, इट विल फॉर्म द क्या NC1, राइट? अब क्या होगा? LiLH4 डालोगे तो कौन सा एमीन है ये बताना तो. दिस विल बी व्हाट? एन आइसोप्रोपाइल मिथेनामाइन. नहीं नहीं नहीं. एन मिथाइल प्रोपान 2 अमाइन. ये हो जाएगा ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज द एपिक नेम फॉर दिस वन? सी हियर, दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन राइट. ठीक है, दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन ना, तो क्या लिखोगे? दिस इज एन मिथाइल प्रोपान 2 अमाइन. गॉट इट? एन मिथाइल प्रोपान 2 अमाइन 1. चलिए चलिए ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. अच्छा 13 तो हो गया. नहीं 13 नहीं हुआ, 12 हुआ. 13 रिडक्शन देन HNO2 फॉर्म CH3CH2OH. क्या होगा? नाइट्रोमीथेन? नो. इथेन नाइट्राइल. इथेन नाइट्राइल विल बी द आंसर राइट, है ना? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Question 16. Correct order of the increasing basic strength. It is, you know, na? MiG 21. That is 2 degree will be the highest one. Which option then? कौन सा ऑप्शन आ जाएगा? लास्ट ऑप्शन नहीं, द लास्ट वन राइट. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पूछेगा ही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. विच ऑप्शन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. विच ऑप्शन? क्यों? Ether does not show hydrogen bonding, right? So it will have the lowest boiling point. Rest all have the OH that can show the kya hydrogen bonding. So which option is the lowest one? Ethers. Ethers usually have the lower boiling points and the melting points. Question number 23. Question number 23. Br2 FeBr3. So which option then? NO2 Br लग जाएगा, फिर NH2 Br आ जाएगा, फिर N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड NCl, डाइल्यूट HCl, तो OH Br आ जाएगा. Which option? Question number 23. फर्स्ट इट विल फॉर्म द क्या मेटा पोजिशन पे क्या आ जाएगा Br. देन SnHCl will due to the reduction one, so it will form the NH2 and the Br at the meta positions. Then diazotization reaction water, it will form the OH Br meta. Which option? The first option, right? 24 one Hinsberg reagent, the first one. 25 full smell isocyanide, first one, right? Question number 8. Sorry, previous NEET PYQ is question number 8. Question number 8. Which option? Last option, dyes, azo dyes, right? Question number 22. Question number 22. क्वेश्चन नंबर विच ऑप्शन? फोर्थ वन. अरे वाटर से OH आ जाता है. यू हैव टू यूज व्हाट? इथेनॉल, राइट? है ना, इथेनॉल वन. गॉट इट? इसलिए मैंने बोला था ये इंपॉर्टेंट है वो उस समय. ठीक है. ट्वेंटी फाइव. Which option? First one. Why? What is the first step? It will form the bromobenzene. Then Grignard reagent. It will form the kya? MgBr. Again acid base reaction with the water. It will form the kya? Benzene. Got it? हो गया.